What's good? It's your brother PromoatBlack. I know living in a system can be real whack, so I'm gonna give you the tact so you know how to react. This is Homestead with PromoatBlack. How's it going, guys? I wanted to come to you and to do the solar series part 3. This solar series part 3 is going to be about rechargeables, the things that I use to light up my house at nighttime, especially in the winter as it gets dark. You guys caught me on one of those days I told you about where we get mostly sunny days, but every now and then we get a cloudy day. This is just the first cloudy day. It rained last night. I have about 74% power on my home power and the power from these panels back behind me. And then I have my generators, but I don't even have any of those on right now. I'm just using my main power. But I felt like, to be honest with you guys and to be candid, I should bring that up just so you know that, hey, it does happen. But this is why, investing in these things will keep you prepared. That also ties in with these rechargeables. I think they're really good, just like any other solar I'm recommending for anyone who stays in a region where you get any kind of hurricane or any kind of disaster type weather, just for the sake of, if the power goes out, power grid gives out, you don't have to live off grid like me, but it definitely comes in handy if you have some sort of off grid utensils or some sort of, in this case, rechargeable things you can use to light your home, charge your home, and just keep things going even in a time of trouble when you're trying to wade through a storm. So with that being said, let me take you guys in so you guys can I can break down for you guys my rechargeables. Interesting enough, some of the things I'm going to show you, unfortunately, they may not have on Amazon anymore in that iteration, but you can still find rechargeable light bulbs and you can still find a rechargeable ceiling fan. I hope this video is really informative and very helpful to you. Please like and subscribe. All right, guys, so as I stated, I want to come to you today and talk to you about my rechargeables. These are all the things I use to illuminate my home in the wintertime. As I said, in Colorado, the winters here yield to longer nights, so it gets dark out here around 6 o'clock, and we like to prepare for the winter season ahead. So I wanted to talk to you guys in this solar series about my rechargeables. So the first one I want to talk to you about, this is a book light, and these come in a 2-pack. I really like these because obviously just for the book light, but with about 2 of these actually give a pretty warm light into a room. We have a newborn, so this is a light we use for the room when she's in, when it's dark out, so we can still, give her a good, something that's not too harsh on her eyes and we can see. Next, I want to talk to you guys about our candlestick lighters. Now, I love these because we light a lot of fires in the wintertime. And so we were flying through traditional gas lighters like crazy. And so those cost money. But these, as you can see on screen, that's how much they cost. And these are awesome because they're rechargeable. It doesn't really take long to recharge them. You can see the little light there. And yeah, man. Yeah, we use this for lighting fires. We use this for lighting incense around our home. They have a long shelf life and a short recharge time. I mean, about maybe 30 minutes for a full charge. So they're very useful, and they're a great alternative to traditional handheld gas lighters. Now, these are a pride and joy of mine. These are the LED magic bulb, and you can see the wattage. They're only 7 watts. You can see the volts that it takes. I like that information there for you guys. But yeah, with that 7 watts, man, I mean, these things run for days. If you cut them on continuously, I want to say maybe like a night or two. But the way we're using them, doing nighttime routines, getting kids ready for bed. But we do use them in every room in the house. Just a couple light bulbs per room. I had 4. Unfortunately, one broke because it did fall from a high place. I think my kids were jumping around and it fell from the ceiling and broke. But these are still very reliable, very durable. I mean, 3 out of 4. And I bought these a few years ago, so I think that's pretty good. This is their recharging station, and I just screw these in and plug it into my AC power and get those charged up. You can see how bright they are. Like I said, we use about 2 in a room, 2 in the bedrooms of our home. I like these 2 because they come with remote, so you have these. You can control how bright they are, and I mean, just having a remote, so even if you don't have that traditional light switch in that room, boom, there you go. Now this I really like as well. Unfortunately, like the light bulbs, this is currently unavailable on Amazon, but they do have alternative tools that are pretty much the same thing. And this is a rechargeable ceiling fan. So we've been using this quite a bit this summer. Like I said, out here in this dry desert heat, you know, it gets high 80s, 90 degrees, but we're so high up that sun's pretty intense. So we definitely use this ceiling fan, but it has a really bright light on it as well. Get that remote for you guys. As you can see, this is a pretty bright light as well. You could change it to a warmer light. Very bright at night. I mean, we're using that. This is the fan in action. It has different settings. So yeah, I'm loving that for the dual uses. I need to get another one because that fan is excellent, especially for a single room. We're putting it in our living room right now, but even in a bedroom, it's excellent. And then that light is amazing. Like I said, this is a great rechargeable. Now, these two items I did not get on Amazon. I actually got these on Temu, but these are a motion sensor light. These are awesome. We just use these around the house. Put some of these outside as well, just for security. Has different settings. And this is a solar battery pack. And we use this for our kids' nightlight. We basically charge this, has a C plug. You can also use it, has solar panels on it. So you can also get the solar panels recharged. And yeah, we use this for their little nightlight in their room. But pretty inexpensive. Like I said, solar, also, you know, really good for a nice little nightlight. Hope you enjoyed this solar series. As I stated, man, I just have these different things. We don't live in the 1800s out here. We're living in 2026, so we have lights in every room in the house at nighttime by using rechargeable light bulbs or rechargeable ceiling fan. We have book lights. I also light fires and use these candlestick lighters as a gas lighter alternative. Saves me a bunch of money. And so yeah, thanks for coming by. Hope you like. Please like and subscribe. Already. Peace.